Hello, you got Mr.
and Mrs. Smith.
Smith.
And listen, you guys, you probably saw the status that said, I'm giving away our DIY credit repair system and other financial tools at a low price. So listen, we are here to show you exactly what we're talking about. If you're looking at my screen, what you'll see is called the My Credit System. This is the ultimate do-it-yourself credit repair service brought to you by a company called My Econ, the personal financial success company. And look, instead of doing a long-winded presentation like we would typically send you, we're going to keep this short, sweet, and to the point. So what you're looking at is an exclusive insider. I already have the service. I'm already logged in. I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like once you get your access. Okay, so let's get started. If you see me scrolling, you'll see that there is an introductory video welcoming you to the My Credit System. I'm looking at the mobile version on my cell phone, okay? But if you look, here are the lessons. Module number 1, introduction. Number 2, obtain your credit report and credit scores. Number 3, how to read your credit report. So these are all video tutorials. Number 4, how to dispute items on your credit report. Number 5, how to remove negative payment history, how to reduce credit utilization, how to add credit history, how to properly apply for new credit, how to get credit mixture, and how to check the status of your disputes alongside the income shifting strategy that we highly suggest. Now, these aren't just video tutorials, you guys. I'm going to click on number 5, how to remove negative payment history, and check this out. Alongside the video, there's downloads, your credit dispute letters in PDF and document form, the credit reporting statute of limitations, how to remove IRS tax liens off of your credit report, and how to remove medical collections off your report, debt validation letters. It's all here. So you literally have everything that you need to better your own credit. Look, there's even goodwill letters here where you just request for a creditor to remove a late payment because you've been a good customer. See, these are some of the things that people don't talk about when you're disputing your credit. And here we are. We have it all in one place, one platform that can teach you how to repair your own credit for pennies. You don't have to pay hundreds of dollars per month. We've heard some crazy prices, but we're basically giving this away as the status said. So I wanted to show you a quick insider. And then I mentioned some other financial tools. So let me show you what we have.
And this will save you a ton of time. Just think about everything that she just showed you that you'll get access to. Yeah, you can search for it, but if you can have it all in one place, the more the merrier. So let's talk about the financial tools. Let's go ahead and click on the income shifting membership. Inside the income shifting membership, you'll see some of the tools that come along with what is in our platform. We have the cash flow manager, the ability to manage your cash flow, debt elimination calculator, correct tax withholding video, financial freedom videos, which is all about investing and terminology centered around it, ways for you to save money and using the software, the corrected W-4, tax record keeping, debt elimination, my credit system. All of these things are in house, a one-stop shop for overall personal financial success, including documents. And we can make this stressed out and long and boring, but that's not what it's about. Just off of seeing this, it should let you know this is worth me putting something towards my future, investing towards my future and towards my education in order to better my situation or help someone else.
Yeah, this is your ultimate financial success membership. We like to call it a money membership.
Yes.
Because it touches all angles of you bettering your finances, from the debt elimination to the credit. There's even investment knowledge on here. If you're looking at my screen, you'll also see that there's meetings and events. This is a nationwide company, so there's pretty much a meeting going on at some point all throughout the year. And then another big one, compensation.
Yes.
You can get paid for bettering your credit. And this is how easy it is, you guys. You can put up that same exact status that we made on our pages. You can post this, or you can give access to this same exact video. And when people decide that they also want their financial success membership, you can get paid. This is how we and all of our business partners have been able to generate additional streams of income, getting paid every single Friday. And we're doing this all from our cell phones. Now, I know you're wondering, what does it cost, right? Because we said pennies. You want to hear how many pennies we're talking about, right? Well, guess what? It's typically $199 and $35 a month because you're going to get access to your own website. But today, we are basically giving this away for only $27.95. There's still the $34.95 a month because, again, it's just to maintain your website. If you decide that you want to keep this service, if you decide that you want to continue to work on your financial situation, better your credit, because it's not going to happen overnight. It's not going to happen in 30 days, 60 days, or 90 days. So there's really not a point in canceling the membership, but we do understand that things happen. I say keep this thing forever and ever and ever, right? Because it's your ultimate guide to financial success. So only $27.95 and $34.95 a month. So this is what we want you to do. Get back with the person who sent you information, who sent you this video, and let them know if you're in or you're out.
Not a lot to talk about, either yay or nay. You shouldn't have to think about it or pray or ask for confirmation. Do you want the platform while it's only $27.95 or not? Either way, we respect it. We just want to bless and empower as many people as possible. And here's how we choose to do it.
Exactly, you guys. So look, our gift to you is financial freedom. Will you take advantage? All right. Happy holidays. You got Mr.
and Mrs. Smith
signing out.